In the day, we're going to have a vendor village, food, craft, art, jewelry, clothing, perfumes. We have a kiddies village for all the kids. We have a pre-show with some upcoming artists that's going to start at about 5:30. We have the Festival Queen, 2025 Festival Queen finalists going to make an appearance. We also expect to have the Festival Song winner to make an appearance. And we have Benjy Myaz, who is our main performer, and he has not performed in Kingston for a few years, so it's a good experience, a good opportunity for persons to see him. And we have the John Kuna coming on board, the Tivoli Dance Troupe, Charleston Maroons, so it's just a myriad of entertainment for persons to witness and to experience. And it's just a rich cultural event that we're planning to put on.